with your family? Yes. Children, today we will learn class first. Social studies. Yes, children. Today we will learn first class social studies. Now, children, everyone take out your social textbook. Yes, children. Yes, children. Already we learn 11th lesson, waves we travel lesson and notes completed, children. Isn't it? Yes. Now, children, today we will learn 12th lesson, be safe. Yes, children. 12th lesson. Lesson 12, be safe. Yes, children, be safe. See, children, here, take off. I should dash with knives. You play with knives, children? Not play with knives. Yes, children, not play. Here, right, children? N-O-T, not. P-L-A-Y, play. Right, children? Not play. Not play. Second one, I should dash to people don't know. Not talk to people don't know. Talk to people don't know. No. Not talk to people don't know. Not talk. Yes, children. Take off your right, children. Yes. Here, children. Write neatly. Okay. See, children, walk up. Are all these things safe to play with? Yes, children. This kite, ball, and knife, children. 3 pictures is there. One is kite, one is balloon, one is knife. These all are safe to play with, children. Okay. This one finished, children. Yes. Okay, children. See, let us start the lesson, children. Safety means to protect ourselves from the danger or harm. Yes, safety means to protect ourselves. Safety means to protect ourselves, children, our danger or harm. We should always be careful and safe, children. We should always careful and what, children? Safe. In order to save, we need to follow certain rules. Yes, children. You order to save, children, you need to follow certain rules, children. What is that? Today we will say, children, these rules helps to avoid accidents. Yes, children, that rules is avoid to accidents. If we do not follow safety rules, we can't harm not only ourselves but others too. Yes, children. If we do not follow safety, yes, children, if we do not follow safety in yourself, we can't harm not yourselves but others also, children. Understood? Being safe at home. You are being safe at home, children. What is it? Do not play with sharp things. Yes, children. Do not play with sharp things like scissors, knives, as they might hurt. As if you do, ask an adult to help you. Okay, children? Do not play with things, children. Knives, scissors. You want any work is a scissor. You help your parents, your sister, your brother. Any work you have, any chart is you cut it. You help your parents. Understood, children? Do not play with electrical switches and plugs. Okay, children, you do not play any electrical switches, board and plugs also. Do not open the door to stranger. Do not open the door any stranger. You open the door only your relatives and your neighbors, your family friends. Okay, children? Don't open the stranger. Okay, children? Do not take medicine without taking permission from elders or a doctor. doctor. Yes, children. You do not take medicine, children. Suppose you got fever, children. I got fever. I'll take medicine. That is wrong, children. You take permission, doctor. You go to clinic. Okay, children, and take permission. Doctor is giving medicine. That medicines only you take, children. Okay. Do not near the gas stove, oven or iron. We might get burnt from them. Yes, children. You do not go to where, children? Gas stove, oven, iron, because he might be burned from them, children. Gas stove, oven and iron. This is might to get burnt from them. Do not play with matchsticks and candles. Yes, children, do not play with matchsticks, matchbox and candles also. Understood, children? Yes, children, being safe at home. Yes, children, being safe at home. Do not play with sharp things. One is scissor and knife. Okay, electrical switches and plugs. Do not open the strangers. Okay, children, and do not medicine without permission, doctor and elders. Okay, children. And next is not near the go to gas stove, oven and what, children? Iron, because he burned for them. And do not play with matchsticks and candles. Understood, children? Next, do it yourself. Circle the shape things that we should do not play with. Yes, children. Knife you play, children. Circle the sharp thing that we should not play. Knife you play, children. No, it is sharp thing. So you circle, children. Knife. And next one is pin. Pin also sharp thing. So pin also you circle. Next is scissor. Next is this is cutting. And next is nail. Yes, children. You sharp things, you circle it. See, children, like this only. Okay. First one is scissor. Circle. Pin also circle. Scissor also circle, that is cutting. Ustara, circle. And one big needle is there, that is also circle. Being safe on the road. Yes, children, being safe on the road. Always wait for the light to turn red, the traffic to stop before crossing the road. Yes, children. Red color. Red, turn the traffic to stop. Red color is traffic stop, children. That time you crossing the road. Okay, always wait, children. What, children? Which one wait? Yeah, the light is turn to red color. Okay, traffic to all are stop. Red color means stop. That time you stop vehicle. That time you easily cross the road. Understood, children? Next, always look at the both sides of the before crossing. Yes, children, you are crossing the road, you see before here and here. Before and cross the road before the crossing, both sides, here and here. You see after you cross the road. Okay, children? Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Yes, children, always you cross the road, that time at the zebra crossing. While walking on the road, always walk on the footpath. Yes, children, while walking on the road, you always walk on the footpath. While traveling on a car or buses, never put your hands on head out of the window. Yes, children, while traveling on a car, bus, never put out your head on the window side. Okay, children, always wear a seat belt while traveling by car. Yes children, you are traveling the car, you wear seat belt. Understood children? Being safe on the road. Always wait for the light to turn red and traffic to stop before crossing the road. Yes children, red light is stop light. Red light is stop light. The vehicles are all stop. That time you easily crossing the road. Understood children? Always look at both sides of the road before crossing. Yes children, you are crossing the road. You see both sides. Okay? Then you crossing the road. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. You cross the road at the zebra crossing children. While walking on the road, always walk on the footpath. While walking on the road, you walk only footpath children. Okay? While traveling on a car or bus, never put your head out of the window. Yes children. While traveling car or bus, you not put outside your head and hand children. Okay? Always wear seat belt while they traveling by car. Always wear seat belt traveling by car. Understood children? This lesson, being safe on the road and being safe at home. Being safe at home and being safe on the road. Understood children? Yes. Next children, now read these rhymes about crossing the road. See children, here one rhyme is given. Stop, look and listen. Before you cross the street, first use your eyes and ears, then use your feet. Stop, look and listen. Look and listen. Before you cross the street, first your eyes and ears, then use your feet. Okay children? Being safe at school. Yes children, being safe at school. Do not jump on desks and chairs. School children, do not jump desks and chairs. Do not push anyone while walking or climbing the stairs. Yes children, do not push while climbing the stairs. Always stand in a queue while boarding and getting off a bus. See children, here one picture is given. This is all our students going and queue in a line in the bus. See? Yes, children, you also always stand queue in the while boarding, getting off bus. In the playground, do not stand in the front of the swings or jumps of seesaw. Yes, in your playground, do not stand in front of swings or seesaws. Okay, children? We must keep a first aid kit at home, in school and in the car. First aid is the first help given to someone who is injured. Yes, and always we must keep first aid box is very important children. Where home, school and car. This, okay children, first aid is very important. The help given to someone who is injured. Understood children this lesson? Yes. Being safe at school, being safe on the road, being safe at home. Understood children? Yes. Now children, everyone take out your social class book. I'll give some hard words. Okay? Okay children, take out. Ready children? Ready with your class book and pencil, eraser, sharp your pencil children. Ready? Yes. your class book this lesson name, children? Yes, children. Write in your book lesson name. Lesson 12. Be safe. Classwork. Hard works. First one is travel. 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 Second one, fast. 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 Okay, children. Sorry, children. Yes, first one is safety. 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 Second one, accident. Third one is stranger. STRANGERS. Strangers. Fourth one is doctor. 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 Fifth one is candles. CANDLES. Sixth one is zebra crossing. Yes, children. Now next one is footpath. Eighth one is traveling. TRAVELLING. Traveling. Ninth one is first aid. FIRST. First. AIT. First aid. Tenth one is school. 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 11th one is QUEUE. 12th one is injured. Seesaw. Yes, children. 12 hard words. Write neatly in your classwork book. Start, children, writing. Yes, children. Finish, children, writing these hard words. Finish, children. Yes, children. These hard words repeat after me, children. Okay, I will first repeat. you repeat after me. Okay? Come on, children. Safety. S-A-F-E-T-Y. Safety. S-A-F-E-T-Y. Safety. Accident. A-C-C-I-D-E-N-T. Accident. A-C-C-I-D-E-N-T. Accident. Strangers. S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R-S. Strangers. S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R-S. Strangers. Doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Candles. C-A-N-D-L-E-S. Candles. C-A-N-D-L-E-S. Candles. Zebra crossing. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G. Crossing. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G. Crossing. Footpath. F-O-O-T. Foot. P-A-T-H. Path. Footpath. F-O-O-T. Foot. P-A-T-H. Footpath. Traveling. T-R-A-V-E-L-L-I-N-G. Traveling. Repeating, children. Repeat, children. Everyone repeat. Traveling. T-R-A-V-E-L-L-I-N-G. Traveling. First aid. F-I-R-S-T. First. A-I-D. Ed. First aid. F-I-R-S-T. First. A-I-D. Ed. First aid. School. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Q. Q-U-E-U-E. Q. Q-U-E-U-E. Q. Seesaws. S-E-E-C. S-A-W-S. Sauce. S-E-E-C. S-A-W-S. Sauce. Understood, children? Yes, children? See, children, one more time in your textbook. Be safe at home. Be safe at home. What, children? You don't play with sharp things. That is scissor and knives. Okay, children? And electric switches and plugs. And then open the strangers. And don't take permission of doctor and elders medicine. Okay? And do not go to near gas stove, oven and iron. He might burn from them, children. And do not play with the matchsticks and candles. Be safe at home. Okay, children? And be safe on the road. Okay, children? Wait for the light that turns red. Yes, children, the traffic light is red. That time the traffic is all out. Stop, children. That time you easily crossing the road. Understood, children? Yes. And you cross the road. You look both sides. Okay. And children, only you cross the road. Zebra crossing. Okay, children. While walking on the road, you walk on the footpath. Okay. And traveling on a car or bus, never put your hands and head in window side. Always wear seat belt traveling by car. You are going to the car, you wear traveling seat belt, children. Okay. These are be safe on the road. Next is being safe at school. Do not jump desk and chairs. And do not push while walking, climbing the stairs. Okay, children, and queue while boarding, getting off a bus. And playground, do not start in the front, swing or jump off seesaws. You don't stand. What, children? Swings and jump and seesaws. Okay, and in your school and your home and your car, you keep your first aid boxes very compulsory. Is the first help given to someone who is injured. Understood, children? Yes. So, children, your lesson is completed. And one more time, repeat these hard words after me, children. Okay? Safety. S-A-F STRS, strangers. Doctor, DOCTOR, doctor. Candles, CANDLES, candles. Zebra crossing, ZEBRACROSSING, crossing, zebra crossing. Footpath, FOOT, foot, PATH, footpath. Traveling, TRAVELLING, traveling. First aid, FIRST, first, AIT, first aid. School, SCHOOL, school. QUEUE, seesaw, SEECSAWS, seesaws. Understood, children? Your be safe lesson is completed and Hartwell's notes also completed. Yes, children. Now it's time for Sakshi. Sakshi homework, children. Lesson number 12, hard words. Yes, children, these hard words: safety, accident, strangers, doctors, candles, zebra crossing, footpath, traveling, school, queue, first aid, and seesaw. Yes, children, these hard words, homework 2 times in your classwork book. Yes, children. Sakshi, write in your corner in your classwork book, children. Write Sakshi, children. Sakshi homework, lesson number 12, hard words, homework 2 times in your classwork book. Understood, children? Hard words, homework 2 times. Your homework is finished. You take the photo and send me school email ID. School email ID is myschoolmyhomework@gmail.com. You send your homework this email ID, children. Understood? Okay, children. We'll meet you next section. Bye. Take care.